Hello there, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to take this old coil spring from my old strut to the new one by yourself without help. So stay tuned and watch this video. It's very important step before you loosen this strut from the wheel over here. Before you take the screw out, do this first. Loosen this up a little bit with the 17, just like that. Not much, just loosen up a little bit. That way when you take the spring out of the strut, you wouldn't have no problem. Oh, before everything, make sure you got the right tool before you start the job. You gotta have a universal and adjustable vise like this one. This one over here, you can turn it around all the way around. So right now I got it set up like this so I can use it. And then I'm not going to use this side, I'm going to use this over here to hold my strut. So that way when I loosen the spring, it will not turn around. Okay, and then before that, make sure you got the right product. Match your part. That's supposed to be the same part as this one, and here and there, and it's like that. I'm going to put it in like this and then tie it up. Just like that, not tight, just enough not to move around like that. No, not tight at all. Even you can hand tie it just like that. And then you gotta have this coil spring remover right here with two of the 19mm shallow socket. It'd be faster and easy. In this case, I'm going to place one on this side, make sure it's even. Alright, before you continue, just to make sure you're in safe side, usually they are go back easily as it was if you know what you're doing. But if you don't, this is the rubber guide over here. It will get in there so it's in the place. There's one here and should be another one on the back side. Should be three of them. And then when you put this coil spring back on, it's gonna be on that little gap over there. And same thing on this side. I'm sorry for my mess, I got a lot of mess over here. But just to be on safe side, just get a paint marker or something. Just like I had this one over here, that way I can put it back in the car, on the car. In the fastest way, easy way, that way I don't have to go back and forth. There is no really big reason to mark this, but I'm going to do it in a way just to be safe. Right there. And that be the end of the spring. Right there. I hope you can see it right there. This is okay. And I usually just mark it down here, but in this case I can't see no place to mark it on the bottom over here. So I'm going to just leave it like this, but I know it's going back easily. In this side, because I'm doing the real one, so just in case this one's going to be movable, adjustable, I'm going to just mark it just right here, just in case. That way I know where everything goes back together. Right there. Okay, that is ready. Just in the process, when you're doing it, just make sure when you loosen it up, make sure it doesn't move anything around. That way you know where you're at. I'm ready for it right now. I'm going to have two nuts in shallow socket, one over here and one over here, because sometimes it will get stuck against the spring and will not come out. So in this case, that way I will have one here and no big deal. As you can see, this is perfect. It hit that that marker over there, and it sits down here perfectly. And now when you put it back on, you just have to tie it back up here at the supposed to be the whatever torque supposed to be. So this looks good. Sits in the right. It's supposed to be like it was right there. Right there, supposed to be right there, and where we marked it. And I put this in the same position, that way when I put it back in there, I don't have to try to twist it around and put it back on there. But this is good now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helpful or help you out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and then don't forget to watch my video on the left side, and subscribe on button on the right side. So if you like this video, you know what to do. And again, thank you for watching this video, and have a blessed day and stay safe.